I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in AC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to take a topic of streaming stored videos applications of application layer under the unit principles of communication system. The streaming of videos involve storing of pre-recorded videos on the server. User sends the request to those server. The user may watch the video from the start till the end and may pause it anytime, do the forward or reverse skip or stop the video whenever they want to do so. Streaming of videos. There are three video streaming categories: UDP streaming, HTTP streaming, and adaptive HTTP streaming. Streaming of videos. The common characteristics of this three streaming technique is that extensive use of client-side buffering. The advantages of client buffering. First one, the client-side buffer observes variation in server-client delay. Until the delayed packet is received by the client, the received but not yet played video will be played. Even if the bandwidth drops, user can view the video until the buffer is completely drained. UDP streaming. The UDP server sends the video chunk, the unit of information that contains either control information or user data to clients based on client's consumption rate. It transmits the chunk at the rate that matches the client's video consumption rate by clocking out video chunks over UDP over steady state. Properties. The UDP does not use congestion control mechanism. The video chunks are encapsulated before transmission using RTT, real-time transport protocol. Additionally, client-server path is maintained to inform the client state to server like pass, resume, skip, and so on. UDP streaming drawbacks. The bandwidth is unpredictable and varying between client and server. UDP streaming requires separate media control server like RTSP server, real-time streaming protocol to track client state, pass, resume, stop, etc. The devices are configured with firewalls to block UDP traffic, which prevents the reception of UDP packets to clients. HTTP streaming, and the video is stored in a HTTP server as a simple ordinary file with a unique URL. The client establishes TCP connection with the server and issues the HTTP hypertext transfer protocol GET request for that URL. The server sends the video file along with an HTTP response, hypertext transfer protocol response. Now the client buffer grabs the video and then displayed on user screen. The advantage of using HTTP. First one, advantages: uses of HTTP over TCP allows a video to traverse firewalls and NAT easily. Does not need any media control servers like RTSP servers, causing reduction in the cost of large-scale deployment over internet. Disadvantages: the latency or lag between the video is recorded and played. This can make the viewers more annoyed and irritated. Only a few milliseconds delay is acceptable. Yearly pre-fetching of video, but what if the user stops playing the video at an early stage? The wastage of data is not appreciated. All clients receive the same encoding of video despite the large variations amount available to the different clients and also for same client over a time. Adaptive HTTP streaming. The major drawback of HTTP streaming lead to the development of new type of HTTP based streaming referred to as dynamic adaptive streaming over HTTP. Videos are encoded into different bitrate versions having different quality. The host makes a dynamic video request of few seconds in length from different bit version. When the bandwidth is high bitrate chunks are received, hence high quality. Similarly, low quality video during the low bandwidth is attained. Assessment: the TCP versus UDP for video streaming. What is the difference between streaming and downloading the files? What is the difference between web conferencing and video conferencing? Thank you.